welcome to the Kentucky 4-H virtual experience. Today we're going to be focusing on healthy recipes out of our teen cuisine curriculum. My name is Isaac Hilp, and I am the 4-H specialist for healthy living in Kentucky. I'd like to introduce Bella, who will be leading us in a recipe about berry banana
Hi,
smoothie.
my name is Bella Robertson and I'm from Simpson County. Today we're going to be making a very healthy, very delicious smoothie. So this summer I started my own baking business, so you want to make sure and be extra conscious about washing your hands and putting your hair back if your hair is long, and not touching your face while you're baking. So I've done all that and we're going to get started. So I have everything out in front of me. I have 2 bananas, some milk, I have yogurt, mixed fruit, and ice. That's totally optional. You can use it if you want a frostier smoothie. So I'm just gonna peel my bananas and chuck them in our blender. When I was younger, I used to love making smoothies. I actually made a strawberry banana one, but I put spinach in it. And since you could see all the little green chunks of spinach, I called it my Christmas smoothie. The recipe calls for 1 cup of mixed berries. Since I have 1 bag of blueberries and 1 bag of strawberries, I'm going to do half a cup of each. I have frozen fruit here, and you can use any fruit you want. You can use pineapple or peaches or really anything. Smoothies are great because you can vary it up. Whatever you like, you can put in a smoothie. When I used to make smoothies, I would put honey in it, which is a great natural sweetener. So now we have our mixed berries in, and now I'm gonna add 1 cup low-fat vanilla yogurt. It doesn't have to be low-fat vanilla, that's just what I have with me here. When I make them in the mornings, I like to use Greek yogurt. And one more thing, smoothies are a great before school snack. They're something you can whip up really quickly. You can chuck them in the blender and eat them on the way. Yeah, I use Greek yogurt or goat yogurt if you'd like, or whatever. I grew up on a dairy, so I'm a really big advocate of milk. That's just where I came from, I guess. Okay, so we got our yogurt in. Now it's time for our milk. You could use soy milk or low-fat milk or whatever really you want to use. Goat milk is also a really good option. So we're just going to take a liquid measuring cup and measure out 3/4 of a cup of our milk. And after we've done that, we're going to pour it in our blender. Like I said earlier, if you'd like, you can add ice to your smoothie to make it a little bit more frosty. I'm not going to this time, but we're gonna snap on the lid of our blender. Want to make sure it's snapped down tight before you start it. And pop it on. This blender has a smoothie setting, so you just start it up. I think that's good. I'm gonna take my lid off and see how it tastes. Smoothies are a great way to cool down on a hot summer day, or to have as an after-school snack, or as a breakfast treat. And I think they're a delicious way to eat healthy.
Thank you for joining us today for the Kentucky 4-H virtual experience focused on healthy recipes. For more information regarding health projects, check out your local University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. Have a wonderful day.